is living in her own world, and you guys will just keep on bursting her bubbles. Why are you doing that, guys? Why are you doing that? Hi, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and do comment in the comment section. Mihlali NDAMASE is trending again for feeling confident about her teeth. She did a video, I think it was sometime last week, where she explained the procedures, the payments, and everything in getting her new set of teeth, which they looked seemingly heavy. I'm trying to be honest. I'm not gonna bully her or anything. But my thing here is, if Mihlali NDAMASE is saying they are beautiful, who am I to argue with her? Mihlali is the epitome of beauty in South Africa. Mihlali is the standard that most of us want to achieve, but not me. Like, Mihlali is the as the standard that is being compared to the internationals, Vurihana. So who are we to argue that Mihlali is not feeling confident? But here's my thing, ne? The reason I believe that Mihlali is dealing with this currently is because Mihlali used to be, the standard of beauty. And right now she's not, because she has done so many things that people agree with. Hi, right? Firstly, Mihlali NDAMASE dated this guy, and I think that's where the problem started, because that's where Mihlali started, maybe allegedly, her skin turning pink. After that, she looked like she did BBL, and then after, it looks like now she has new teeth, like also lip fillers, I believe so. We don't understand the psychology, the damage that the guy has done to her, that Mihlali feels like she needs all these procedures. Because her reasoning behind it, maybe it's reasonable. She said they were not aligned. Look at my teeth, guys. They are not aligned. And I don't feel like I will go to an extent of doing those things, even if I had that money to do that thing. I won't do it. The least I could do is have braces. Otherwise, nothing will be done to my teeth, because sometimes you're making things worse. Why stress yourself? Why are you doing that to yourself? But I was like, I wanna myself, and I'm happy for girl. I'm happy for her. If she's happy, I'm happy for her. And if she's not happy, she's faking it, I'm still happy for her, because she's old enough to make good decisions for herself. Mihlali cannot be dealing with self-esteem issues at the age of 29. You can't be. Seriously, you have been on a social media, I think, from the age of 18 until now, and then you're still dealing with self-esteem issue. My girl, you need to pay a psychologist to deal with you, because we cannot be saying it's a self-esteem issue. At this time, it's a thing of she wants it, and there's nothing we can do about it. She wants those teeth. Mihlali do wants those teeth.